Hello, welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben, and today I'm going to be showing you around this Honda Varadero. Now, this is a trade bike that's come in, absolutely nothing wrong with it at all. It's just not quite as clean and tidy as we would like to put into our showroom, so we've decided to trade this. What does that mean? It just effectively means that it's a private sale, so there's no warranty given or implied. We can still offer all the usual trimmings, delivery, even finance as well if you want, but there will be no warranty with this bike. So it's a Varadero. It's covered 36,000 miles. Unfortunately no service history with it, but the bike itself actually rides, starts on the button. It rides like a much newer, much lower mileage bike, I have to say. A lot of, what we can see wrong with it is just down to, lack of cleaning and that sort of thing. It's an older bike, it's covered a few miles, but everything works perfectly well. It's had brand new tyres on it. It looks like it's had a recent service, to be honest. Pretty much a standard bike. It's got some aftermarket exhaust, some crash bars. Discs have been replaced at some point in its life. But yeah, on the whole, it rides really, really well. It's still got a long MOT on it, so you've got nothing to worry about. There's the registration number. It's not a category write-off or anything like that. There's no finance owing on it. It's got a Givey top box on it. So I think this is going to suit someone who just wants a cheap, either a first bike, winter hack, something for commuting on, something like that. It'd suit you down to the ground. I've just ridden it around here, and it rides spot on, to be honest. Starts on the button. No pops, crackles, bangs or anything like that. There's no major dents or dings on it. It just, if it was my bike, I'd probably just strip the bodywork off and give it a proper good clean. The actual bodywork itself is pretty reasonable, I have to say. There's a couple of little marks here and there, like on the hand guards and stuff like that. The forks are, the actual stanchions themselves, the paint's worn off on them. That's fairly common for one of these. There's a couple of little marks on the grab rails at the back, but on the whole, really, really good. It's got a V5. Everything works on it. No engine management lights, no issues at all. It's got Oxford heated grips. Let's just give it a start quick. So yeah, it's, like I say, it's a really nice bike actually. If you're after something cheap and cheerful, this could absolutely be the bike for you. It's ready to go now. You can turn up and ride this away without any issues. Obviously you just need to tax it. So yeah, if you're interested, get in touch. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the social medias. Pick up the phone, ask us any questions that you got, or drop in and you can have a look around the bike yourself. That's it from me. Thanks very much for watching. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.